This video is how to use voice typing and comments in Google Docs. This technology can be useful when providing feedback to your students. When marking your students' work and generally working in Google Docs, there are a couple of alternative ways to add content rather than just typing onto the page. These are using the commenting features and voice notes. To start with, I have this sample piece of work from a student and I want to leave some comments for him to follow. Going down, I want to show that I'm impressed that he's researched some of the biggest blockbuster films. So I'm going to highlight all the films he talks about. And then I'm going to click on this little circle with a plus in it. And this is the add a comment button. Click in there and then I just type my comment. And then click comment. And that adds a comment into the document, which in this case Tim can have a look at. Next, I want to add another comment to talk to him about thinking more about the question. So I'm going to highlight another piece of text and I'm going to add another comment and then click comment. So I can add as many comments as I need to. I just highlight text and click add comment. As I scroll down, I can see that Tim's actually left another comment, and if I click on it, it highlights what the piece of text referred to is and also allows me to reply. So I'll reply to his comment and then click reply. So that's how we can use comments. The second option is looking at voice typing. To use voice typing, I'm going to put my cursor at the bottom where I want it to be. I'll change my text colour to a text colour that stands out, and then I'm going to go Tools and Voice Typing. When I click this microphone, Google Docs will start listening to all the words that I'm saying and turn it into text. So I'm going to click to speak. This is a good first attempt, full stop. But have a think about my comments and how you can improve this for the future. Full stop. When I click stop, it stops recording my voice. And it's important that you go and look at what is recorded to make sure that it has recorded everything you want. So as we look here, you can see that because I wanted a full stop at the end, it said full stop instead of put a full stop. So I can go in and edit that just by deleting it and typing in a full stop. So that's a couple of ways you can use comments and voice typing to work with Google Docs.